Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Site Tech YouTube channel and today my topic is Home Office Tax Deductions 2025. Before I start my video, the Home Office Tax Deduction can significantly help you reduce expenses on tax return in 2025. The work from home culture is becoming increasingly common, especially for freelancer or the self-employed. However, working from home incurs bills and expenses that can significantly impact the revenue. From the cost of electricity bills to the depreciations of office tool and rent, increase small business owners could save a lot of money on taxes by applying the office tax deductions. To be eligible, self-employed workers who want to take advantage of the write-offs or tax deductions must meet specific IRS requirements. This article will provide details on the following. Who qualifies for the home office tax deductions? What qualifies as a home office? How to calculate home office deductions simplified versus regular method? What expenses are deductibles for home office? Let's dive into the details. Who qualifies for the home office tax deductions? The gig economy workers, freelancers, independents, contractors, or the self employed who work from their own homes or rent office spaces can claim home office deductions. The workspace can be a part of your single family homes and apartments and intermodal containers, a studio, or a garage. You should know that employees working from home due to mandatory office rules do not qualify. The 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act (TCJA) suspended employee business use of home deductions from 2018 to 2025. Also, employees who receive the W-2 forms and employers are not eligible for the deductions. What qualifies as a home office? A home office is any part of your work area rented to or converted that you use exclusively or regularly for business related activities. This work area could be a house, apartments, condominiums, mobiles, home spot, unattached garage, studio, band, or greenhouse. The IRS notes that a work area doesn't include any part of the taxpayer property used exclusively as a hotel, motel, inn, or similar business. To qualify for work from home deductions to tax returns, you must meet the following criteria for the use of your home. The workspace must be exclusively your regularly the principal place of business operations. The workspace must be exclusively and regularly a place for business activities with your patient clients or customers. The work area must be a structure not attached to your home and used exclusively and regularly for trade or business. Retailers, wholesalers must use the workspace regularly to store business inventory or business samples for rental use or as a daycare facility. How to calculate home office deductions? There are two options to calculate the home office deductions. Simplified method. Regular method. Simplified method. The method allows qualified taxpayers to reduce a standard rate from taxes. You can deduct up to $5 for every square foot of work area used exclusively for business purposes. The IRS allows a maximum deductions of up to 300 square feet or $1,500. For example, if your home office measures 100 square feet, the deductions would be $500, $100 x 5 dollars. The space must be dedicated to business activities. Any part of your house that doubles as an office guest or dining room doesn't qualify. Regular method. This methods required more attention to details and accurate record keeping of expenses. You will need to calculate the actual percentage of space used for your home office against the overall residence. You can deduct all if the percentage claim on your home office is more significant than your gross income. However, you can carry the excess deductions to the next financial year. Let's say you use 200 square feet of 2000 square feet of your home as office space. Divide your office space by the total home space to find your percentage. Your deductions will be 10% of your indirect home expenses such as mortgage, interest, insurance, utilities, real estate tax, and general home repairs. Below is an example. You can also calculate the depreciations of the business portions of your home. You have to consult the instructions on Forms 8829 expenses for business use of your home. Simplified versus regular method. Simplified. The deductions is possible only when a portion of a residence is closely used regularly for business purpose. Regular. The same condition apply. The percentage of your home used for business must be at most 300 square feet. You can calculate the actual percentage of your home used for business. Their standard $5 per square foot deductions rate. Deductions depend on the actual expenses recorded and maintained for the home office. Home related itemized deductions claimed in full on Schedule A. Home related itemized deductions amortized between Schedule A and Business Schedule. No depreciations deductions. You can deduct depreciations for the portions of the home used for business. No recaptures for depreciations upon the sales of the home. Recapture of depreciations on gain upon sales of the home. The deductions cannot exceed your gross income. The same conditions applies. You can't carry over the excess amount in gross income limitations. You can carry over the excess amounts in gross income limitations. Loss carry over from the use of the regular method is the prior year may not be claimed. Loose carryover for the use of the regular methods in the prior year may be claimed if the gross income test is met in the current year. What expenses are deductibles for home office? Direct and indirect expenses are deductibles, however, the amounts of each deductions varies. Indirect costs are partially tax deductible, while direct costs are 100% deductible. Indirect expenses, mortgage interest, home insurance, home utilities, real estate taxes, home repairs, maintenance depreciations, direct expenses, Wi-Fi, internet expenses, cleaning services, painting your office, telephone bills, buying a computer, printer, office desks and chairs. Read details about firms 1099 and easy for independent contractors. Final thoughts. Qualifications of home office tax deductions is determined each year and eligibles may differ. When recording expenses for tax returns, it would be best to consult a financial expert for advice on tax qualified for home office deductions, but might not provide the most deductions for maximizing business revenue. Frequently asked questions. Can I write off my internet bills I work from home? If an internet connection is necessary to make money for your business, it is a direct expense and it's deductible on your 1040 tax return documents. Can I claim expenses without receipt? You should always keep a record of your business expenses, whether it will be invoice or payment receipts. If you do not have a receipt, ensures that you have detailed notes about the transactions. How do I prove my home office is tax deductibles? Keep documents or receipts showing your mortgage, interest, property taxes, utilities, or purchase expenses. If you get audits and don't have any proof of expenses, the intended revenue service may disallow your deductions. This often leads to gross income deductions from the IRS before calculating your tax brackets. What is exclusive use? This means you must use a portions of your home close exclusively and regularly for your business. See more next video. Take care. Bye.